Met you when the sky was still white. Uniforms, crisp prayers inside. Laughing about dumb things in line. You were my favorite person of time. Shared secrets under neon bleachers, trading memes and Catholic preachers. I held on like a Sunday hymn, but I guess the chorus was wearing thin. Please, I don't wanna make it let go. Why you leaving when I needed you most? You said forever, but forever's a ghost. Please, I don't wanna make it let go. Just a static in your signal now. Was I bright too much? Am I too low? 3 years of inside jokes and scars. Now you're texting strangers from afar. I still scroll through every thread, hearing echoes of what you once said. You said I was your ride or die. Now I'm the reason you won't reply. You look right through me in the halls, like friendship's just another fall.
Bro, you're annoying, that's what you said. But I kept holding on, even when you turned your head. I clung to the best of a friend I knew, but I guess you outgrew me, didn't you?
Please, I don't wanna make you let go. I'm breaking, shaking, drowning slow. You erase me like a bad download. I don't wanna make it let go. I gave you my time, my soul, my song. But maybe I held on too long. Goodbye was never loud. It was silence in the shifting crowd. If you ever hear this, just know I didn't want to let you go. We can't